Are you ready to join the AI revolution and achieve financial freedom? This video explores how you can capitalize on the AI boom and achieve financial freedom. The AI revolution is upon us, which offers a wealth of opportunities for those willing to seize them. We'll cover strategies and opportunities that can help you make the most of this exciting new era of technology, specifically how you can leverage artificial intelligence AI to build wealth and secure your financial future. In this video, you will learn how revolutionary technologies and platforms in the AI industry are creating new opportunities for investors and entrepreneurs, and how you can start building your wealth in the AI revolution now. As much as there is financial potential in the AI industry, where should you begin? Staying on top of the latest trends and developments in the field is essential to your success. Prior to going into this, it is important to mention the role of mindset in this scenario. This can help you identify opportunities and make informed decisions about where to invest your time and resources. You can either choose to be unaware of the developments in AI and hope that it will go away, or accept it as a reality and embrace the change. The first step is to be aware of the developments in the field of AI. One can keep up with it by reading industry publications, following AI experts on social media, and attending conferences and events. Networking is also crucial in the AI industry. Having relationships with other professionals and experts can help you learn from those who are already successful and open doors to new opportunities as well. Besides staying current and networking, it's imperative to know the basics of artificial intelligence. You will be able to make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts once you have a solid understanding of how it works. You can learn about artificial intelligence by taking online courses, reading books, or listening to podcasts. It is possible to build wealth in the AI revolution by investing in companies that are developing artificial intelligence. Stay informed of emerging technologies and companies that are leading the charge. It is also possible to become an expert in artificial intelligence yourself. It is now a great time to start building your skills in this area, since there are an increasing number of people seeking skilled AI professionals. AI is also being used to solve problems and create innovative products by startups and small businesses. With this technological revolution, you can potentially reap the benefits of starting your own AI-based business or investing in one. The fastest-growing chatbot platform in history, Chagpt, is gaining widespread attention and adoption in the AI industry. With Chagpt, businesses can easily create and deploy chatbots that can handle customer inquiries, make recommendations, or even complete transactions. With its natural language processing capabilities and ability to learn from customer interactions, it is a valuable tool for companies that wish to increase customer satisfaction and efficiency. In the retail, healthcare, and finance industries, Chagpt revolutionizes how we interact with businesses and access services. There are endless possibilities for Chagpt's use, and its potential to transform industries is staggering. Now is the time for investors and entrepreneurs to invest in this game-changing platform. Moreover, Chagpt offers a wealth of opportunities to individuals seeking to build wealth in the artificial intelligence revolution as well. For example, you could start your own business using Chagpt to provide chatbot services to other companies. Or you could invest in Chagpt or other chatbot platforms, taking advantage of the rapid growth and adoption of these technologies. Overall, Chagpt is a prime example of the potential for financial gain in the AI industry. By staying up to date with its advances and considering how you can utilize this platform to your advantage, you can position yourself for success in the AI revolution. Also, AI can help you improve your current services. You can condense a lot of information in a quick time. This will allow you to make smarter decisions. You will get more work done in a lot less time, which will increase your income manifold. For example, you can use AI to make better decisions when it comes to investing. Many companies have already started using AI to do it. They understand that AI can analyze substantial amounts of data. It can make decisions based on that large knowledge base. Most often than not, those decisions will be a lot sounder than the ones made by humans. But the AI revolution isn't just about financial gains. It is also about improving our lives and the way we live and work. This aspect is very crucial. The future of humanity may depend on how we develop AI today. The direction of it should be to help the world and humanity. For example, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, streamline processes, and solve problems that were once thought impossible. By getting involved in the AI revolution, You can not only build your wealth, but also make a positive impact on the world. Another factor to consider when building wealth in the AI revolution is the impact of AI on the job market. While AI has the potential to automate many tasks, it is also creating new job opportunities in areas such as data science and AI development. By keeping an eye on these trends and positioning yourself to take advantage of new opportunities, you can increase your chances of success in the AI field. In addition to staying current, networking, and learning about AI, it's important to have a clear plan of action and a long-term vision. This can help you stay focused, motivated, and ensure that you are making progress toward your financial goals. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, you can track your progress and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. To be successful in the AI industry, you must stay on top of the latest technologies and trends, as well as be open to new ideas and approaches. It is obvious that there are alternatives available to a lot of services. The key is to be aware of how to leverage artificial intelligence to enhance your current services. Talk to your company about how it can help them scale their business. Once positive results start coming, there may be some opposition, but it won't last long. Embracing change and taking calculated risks are essential. It is important to remain flexible and adaptable so that you can take advantage of new opportunities when they arise. AI is a rapidly developing industry with an innovative attitude. It is possible to generate innovative ideas and approaches to solve problems by learning about distinct aspects of it, as well as find new ways to apply it to new industries and fields. When you think outside the box and are willing to take risks, you can set yourself apart from the competition and position yourself for success. Last but not least, the old tenets will remain the same. The importance of a strong work ethic and being willing to put in the time and effort to succeed is not going to change. Discipline and focus are important, as is the ability to persevere despite obstacles and setbacks. There has already been a rapid advancement in the world of AI. There is no time to waste now. Advances in AI are happening rapidly. So, speed is a crucial aspect of all this. Making money will become increasingly difficult as a result. Not for everyone, but for people who lack work ethic. Survival of the professional is going to be the mantra of this new age. By being 100% dedicated and committed to your goals, you can increase your chances of success in the AI field. As a result, the AI revolution offers a wealth of opportunities for those willing to work hard to succeed. You can ignore those opportunities or take advantage of them. By ignoring the opportunities, you will fall way behind the rest of the world. You can weather the storm and come out on top by taking advantage of them. There is enormous financial gain potential in AI-related companies, in building your skills in the field, or starting your own AI-based business if you stay current. Network, learn about artificial intelligence, have a clear plan of action, and stay ahead of the game. Revolution and achieve financial freedom.